Does Liquid Plumr work on slow draining drains? Let's find out. So if you can see this, basically the drain's not working really well. Can't even keep up with the water coming down from the shower. And if I go to turn this off, we'll see how slow it drains. So it's taking quite a while to drain. It's just very slow draining. So what we're going to do is try out Liquid Plumr. Now, it's a gel. It says pour at least a third of this container. I'm going to pour probably about half of this. Wait for at least 15 minutes. We're going to flush with some hot water and we'll see if it clears up the clog. If not, we'll repeat and see if it helps with that. Also says it has a money-back guarantee and you can call that phone number as well. So it also says danger. Keep out of the reach of children, pets. It'll injure the eyes, skin, mucous membranes on contact. So if I put this in here and it sits in here, I want to rinse it down and make sure that it's well rinsed before I get back in the shower. It's also a good idea to wear gloves, safety glasses, and things like that when using this product. All right. So I'm going to probably use about half of this. It says to use at least a third. So I want to fill that drain up and let it make enough contact with everything in the drain to clean this up. Okay. Cap back on. So now we just have to wait 15 minutes. Wear gloves or don't, I would still suggest wash your hands. Make sure that you don't have any contact with the material. So I've waited exactly 15 minutes. Now I'm going to start the shower up and see if it still has that issue where it builds up with water. So Liquid Plumr, as well as most drain cleaners, are going to be caustic, so I want to just kind of rinse this down before I put my hand in it, because I don't want to put my hand in something that's irritating to the skin or caustic. So far it looks like it's working well. So we're filling up a bucket of water because we want to challenge the drain. So we'll pour a bunch of water all at once and see how it performs. Alright. So, just going to dump the bucket. Let's see if this drain can catch up to it. So if you can see, the drain's actually swirling quite fast. So it looks like it actually cleared it up. You can see a little whirlpool right here. I would highly recommend using Liquid Plumr as a first pass to clear open a drain. Now I don't have to worry about this shower overflowing while we're taking a shower. Yeah, it's pretty inexpensive, doesn't use much, and it cleared it in 15 minutes. That's a huge savings compared to if you had to pull the drain apart or pay a plumber. If you like do-it-yourself type of repairs around the house, please subscribe.